Yes, I stand by what I said kanina. Iba-iba ang boses pero tunog Star Magic pa rin. Guys, let's all introduce ourselves and say hi to our friends from the media as well.
Hello po, I'm Liza.
Hello po, I'm Clarice.
Hello po, I'm Gray.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Cristel.
Hi, I'm Renee.
Hi po, si Zane Nabato. Ako po si Joey Paladino.
Hi everyone, Marian Lenore here. Hello, I'm Emmanuel Vera. Okay, the afternoon gets more exciting. Please hold on to your mics, guys. Take a seat anywhere you want to. Tapos tayo ay short Q&A lang para mas maging acquainted tayo sa isa't isa. As we all know, I'm sure alam naman po natin lahat that July is a very special month for Star Magic. It's our 24th anniversary and the annual Star-Studded event is happening on ASAP this coming July 31. So I'm sure marami sa ating Star Magic artists na makikita natin pumapa on ASAP on that special day. Pero kung hindi nyo rin po naman alam, ang Tunog Star Magic ay part of the 24th anniversary celebration of Star Magic. So, to enlighten us about Tunog Star Magic, we have our Star Magic artists here and we are opening the floor for questions from our bloggers and our friends from the media. So, kung may tanong po kayo, ready po kaming sagutin ang mga tanong na yan. Huwag lang po math questions. Huwag lang po Miss Universe questions, sabi nga kanina. Meron po tayong mga tanong. Ayan.
Our first question is from Mami Jo.
Hello po, Mami Jo. Good afternoon po.
I to each of the artists performing. Meron po ba kayong mga prepared na special number? Because you will be doing it live, di ba? Via YouTube.
Yes po.
So, sino po yung first time sa inyo na magla-live ng... Kasi hindi tape, di ba?
Opo, parang covers, live covers po.
Yes.
Well, I've done live covers personally before. So, pero ito po ang very new for me personally kasi ilalagay ito sa YouTube and people are gonna be able to see it again and again. Sino ba mga first-timers dito na magko-cover ng live? Wala.
Okay, when we do covers po to Tunog Star Magic, it's not live, it's recorded po. So we have a separate recording, like a microphone. Tapos isi-sync na lang po siya sa video. So it's not live po.
I think po ang tanong ninyo ay kung hindi po siya recorded as in a studio, it's live. It's one take lang po. Yeah, it's gonna be continuous. It's a continuous take, yes. So it is recorded as live po ang Tunog Star Magic there. Yes. Okay. Ayan, yes! Sino po ang gustong sumagot for that question? First time ba? Wala na atang first timers. Si Cristel at si CJ, nag-viral na ang kanilang videos din.
Yeah.
Yes, ayun po, I think wala na po ang first timers.
I think yung Star Magic newbies would like
O
to...
yan, Star Magic newbies. Dito tayo. Yes, Kira! Hi!
They're asking if it's your first time to cover anything live or...
Actually, yes po. This is my first time to do anything live because usually I just record it and I upload it on my social media accounts. Yun po.
Thank you, Kira! Ayun po. Okay.
What are you most excited to cover?
What are you most excited to cover, Iman? Yung i-cover po namin ay pop songs. Abangan nyo na lang po kung ano man yun. Pero kami ni Alex Diaz po ang mag-partner. Ay. Okay, sige, okay na po sabihin. Ayun. So, hindi pa po kami magkasama in one video. So, lahat po kami, ang abangan nyo po sa amin is na ang kasama po namin sa Star Magic covers ay hindi pa po namin nagkasama yung iba before. So, pasabog po. And then we take pop songs, tapos binabali po namin yun. So, yun po.
Okay.
Ayan.
Our next question is from Glenn Sibonga of Penta.ph.
Hello po.
Yan, kay Cristel sa kay CJ. Siyempre nga, hindi na nga bago sa inyo to. Pero, malilimit ba yung siyempre gumagawa kayo and nagde-direct kayo ng sarili niyong music videos, malilimit ba yung pag-upload niyo dahil meron ng Tunog Star Magic?
Kasi po yung pag-upload po ng videos namin sa YouTube, ano na po talaga, trip lang namin. Parang ano lang, for fun lang siya talaga. So kami po yung nagde-decide Tapos, kung ano naman po, ngayon po, medyo kung napapansin ng ibang viewers or audience namin, hindi po kami masyadong nagpo-post ng covers kasi meron po kaming wino-work on na album po under Star Music.
Ah, wow.
So, ayun po, sana supportahan din po nila yung, kasi po original songs po yung mga kanta yung nasa loob ng cover ko na yun.
So, does it feel si Jay na ano, yun nga, coming from a viral video, biglang album na, di ba?
It's big. Sobrang overwhelming na. Saka, pero hindi naman siya malilimit yung pag-cover namin. Siguro ngayon lang kasi medyo busy lang. Pero kapag nagustuhan lang naman namin mag-cover, kaya naman mag-upload agad.
Pero at least, mas happy kayo ngayon kasi nagkaroon kayo ng
Yes.
parang
Sobrang
platform
po.
dito